This is me trying out the new keys that I just programmed. Pocket. That locks. Remote starts as well. What we got is ourselves is a beautiful Hyundai palisades, whatever. This is my new key. See the exact same. Cool. Our job is to add a key. So we're gonna do that. And with some proper preparations. Alright, so we're gonna connect ourselves through here. There's that. You get the first key onto the ignition. Using the second one, press this one. And then you got this. Now the second key is added. And that's it. It just teaches it really quickly. So now, yep. Cool. Both work. We'll be working on decoding this. While we're decoding that, I'm going to show you this key. This is the original. This is the new one. Locks. Unlocked. We're going to lock this and we're going to see if it starts up. Nice. Cool. That starts up nicely. Cool. Proximity works. Cool. Turn this on. Oh, that turns it on. Starts it up right here. Job's done. I need to cut this key.